And we have more news coming in. This politics over RSS chief's retirement remark. Day after Mohan Bhagwat's retirement at 75 remark, Congress says RSS reminding the Prime Minister that he will be turning 75. Modi should remind RSS chief of his age. Congress's one arrow, two targets attack here. I'm going to go straight across to Maushmi for more details on that. Maushmi, the Congress here taking a dig at the RSS and at the Prime Minister as far as the retirement age remark is concerned here.
Clearly, Sneha, the Congress has been watching over the timeline as far as Prime Minister's 75th birthday is concerned, considering the backdrop in which the stalwarts of the BJP, including Mr. Advani and Murli Manohar Joshi, were actually sent to the Margdarshak Mandal after they crossed the threshold of 75 years. And that's usually considered the retirement age in the BJP. And Congress has lapped up the remark that Mohan Bhagwat, the RSS Supremo, has made. In fact, Jairam Ramesh pointing out to the timeline of the birthdays really close to each other of the RSS chief and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So perhaps it's a political war of words, a dig that the Congress would like to, take at the Prime Minister and make it a matter of political tussle.
Be with us, Maushmi Singh, getting in those details. We also have a reaction. Let's take a listen.
क्योंकि मुझे लगता है लोग मुझे गंभीरता से नहीं ले पुढे ते असं म्हणाले त्यांचे शब्द म्हणून उपचार करू मैं जब मर जाऊंगा तभी पहले लोग पत्थर मार के देखेंगे कि क्योंकि मुझे लगता है लोग मुझे गंभीरता से नहीं ले पुढे ते असं म्हणाले त्यांचे शब्द म्हणून उपचार करू मैं जब मर जाऊंगा तभी पहले लोग पत्थर मार के देखेंगे कि सचमुच मर गया मग ते असं म्हणाले 75 वर्ष का आपने किया लेकिन मैं इसका अर्थ जानता हूँ 75 वर्ष की साल जब उड़ी जाती है तो उसका अर्थ ये होता है कि अब आपकी आयु हो गई अब जरा राजयोग हमको करने क्योंकि मुझे
All right, so that is a comment from Mohan Bhagwat essentially, which has triggered the opposition's reaction to this, given that this had been said by the BJP and Prime Minister Modi in the past, like Maushmi was telling us, Maushmi, about the fact that political leaders should be retiring at the age of 75. How is the BJP also looking at these comments, given that there's been fair amount of speculation and the Congress and the opposition members have also been poking the BJP on the same, isn't it?
Absolutely, this could settle, ruffle feathers in the opposition, perhaps remind other opposition leaders as well that, in the upcoming monsoon session, there could be a verbal duel over this particular issue. But more importantly, the underlying factor, as your question points out, is, Sneha, whether to be or not to be, whether 75 years of age is still being considered a threshold or rekha as far as, taking a back seat is concerned, and whether Mohan Bhagwat was pointing out to himself or in fact to the current dispensation when he spoke about 75 years. Surely he would absolutely be aware of the fact that he's crossing that threshold in September, 11th of September, and close on the heels of Prime Minister's birthday on the 17th. And, perhaps it could be a hint at himself because he is heading as a Supremo RSS chief for a while now, and one will have to wait and see whether he was indicating about his own retirement. But perhaps right now it will be just a war of words, or perhaps a statement that will be read several times between the lines.
Maushmi, be with us. We listen in once again to what Mohan Bhagwat has said, essentially about leaders, political leaders who have to retire, he says, who should be retiring at the age of 75.
क्योंकि मुझे लगता है लोग मुझे गंभीरता से नहीं ले पुढे ते असं म्हणाले त्यांचे शब्द म्हणून उपचार करू मैं जब मर जाऊंगा तभी पहले लोग पत्थर मार के देखेंगे की सचमुच मर गया. मग ते असं म्हणाले 75 वर्ष का आपने किया लेकिन मैं इसका अर्थ जानता हूँ. 75 वर्ष की शाल जब उड़ी जाती है तो उसका अर्थ ये होता है कि अब आपकी आयु हो गई, अब जरा बाजू हमको करने.
Maushami, in the past, we've also heard from the Bharatiya Janata Party, particularly from leaders like Amit Shah, who have said that the Prime Minister won't be released. I remember this comment was made when Arvind Kejriwal, the then Delhi Chief Minister, had asked these questions, about the next Prime Minister. This was an ongoing debate, and Amit Shah had said that the Prime Minister will not be replaced even after he turns 75, and that he would be completing his term, is what Amit Shah had said.
Right, Sneha, as I said, that opposition parties during the Lok Sabha election also, wanted to make a point by pointing out that it will be in 2025 that he will be completing 75 years of age, the Prime Minister. And after that, there was a statement by the Home Minister who clarified that remark, saying it was more of rumor mongering by the opposition that had already, conceded defeat. So clearly, even this time round with Mr. Mohan Bhagwat talking about 75 years as being that age that one should step aside and the others take the cue or take the lead. It is interesting because September is not far away, and that is when Mohan Bhagwat also completes 75 years. It is but natural. We've seen Jairam Ramesh and the others would also follow, where they would try to ask the BJP what is the meaning of its parent organization, the one who's heading it, saying something like that.
I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Maushami Singh getting in those details. Very interesting comment there from Mohan Bhagwat, talking about the fact that essentially leaders should be retiring after they turn 75, which has triggered a lot of speculation and comments from within the opposition as well, which has happened in the past also. More reactions? Let's take a listen.
प्लैटिनम सेलिब्रेशन दोनों का होने वाला है, मोदी जी का भी और मोहन भगत जी का भी. इसलिए खुद के लिए भी वो है और नरेंद्र मोदी को ये एक इन्विटेशन दे दिया है प्लैटिनम जुबली सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए और बाद में मार्गदर्शक मंडल में रहने के लिए.